All right, Raspreet. Very interesting name. What does it mean?
Sir, Preet means love, and when we put it together with Ras, its meaning becomes elixir of love.
Elixir of love.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So you are spreading love.
Yes.
Huh? All right, good. Acha, Raspreet, let me begin with throwing 5 words at you, and you need to share with me the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear these words. Okay, this is a game, very popular game as well. You do not have to think. This is very important. You have to answer spontaneously. It can be, your answer can be either in one word or in a sentence, not an issue. Ready? The first word is Punjab.
Agriculture,
Agriculture. Rahul Gandhi.
Congress,
Congress. Rape.
girls,
Girls. Woman.
empowerment,
Empowerment. Osama.
USA.
USA. Okay. What is your mother's profession, Raspreet?
She is a housewife, sir.
She's a housewife. We hear this term homemaker also very frequently.
Yeah, sir.
What is the difference between a housewife and a homemaker?
Sir, housewife is like is a little bit considered derogatory for
Derogatory.
derogatory for
Okay.
women. And,
Your medium of interview is English, I hope.
yeah.
Okay.
English, it's English.
You can speak in Hindi also if you're comfortable, not an
Okay,
issue.
sir.
So, yeah, housewife, the term is a bit, you're saying derogatory.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, homemaker, what is the meaning? Homemaker has got more dignity than housewife.
Sir, actually, I don't know about the I really don't know about the difference in these two terms.
You don't know the difference between the two. So, how
sir.
could you say that housewife is derogatory compared to home?
Sir, I've heard these two terms, and once I read about it somewhere, but actually I don't know the real difference between the two.
Could you please be a bit louder? I'm not.
I don't know the real difference between the two. I read it somewhere that it's referring women as housewives is little bit derogatory for
Is
women.
little bit derogatory.
Yeah. But I don't know the real
The
difference.
real
between the
difference.
two.
Okay. So you use the word housewife for a mother.
Yes, sir. No, I don't use like.
You said it is house.
Yeah, she's a
Mom is
housewife. Yes.
That means you are wrong. You should not have said housewife.
Yes.
Yes, you're wrong.
Yes.
You're sorry.
Yes.
Are you
sir.
sorry for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your mom is a homemaker.
Homemaker. Yeah.
Homemaker. Okay. Let me share this very incendiary idea with you. It's a very controversial idea. Housewife means salary, no money, zero income, monetarily at least. Do you support the idea of compulsory monetary compensation? It could be, you could term it salary, you could term it anything, for housewives.
So the monetary compensation for women, first we have to define who is going to give it, the family or the government. So.
No, why will the government give here? The government will not provide.
So you are saying if it's family who will give the compensation, then it seems a very idealist idea, but I don't think it's practical.
You don't think it's practical?
Yes, sir.
Should we try to make it practical?
Sir, we can, like for example, how we are gonna do it. First, we have to define what women. We have to categorize the works women are doing. Like she's cooking food, she's washing the clothes, she's
doing
other
everything. She's taking care of the house.
Okay.
A person who takes care of the house and who's a female is a housewife.
Okay, so it's practical. It's not practical, but we can think about it. But we have other problems in the society, like women are not empowered to the point that they can choose. They have the right to choose. So it's first we have to empower in other empower the women in other fields. Then we can think about compensation for women for housemaking.
No, so you are saying that we don't need to give salary first or monetary compensation. We need to empower in other ways.
Yes, sir. First, we have. I'm not saying this is one way of empowerment of women. It's
Providing
true-
monetary.
Yeah, it's one way of empowerment of women.
I believe it's a very powerful way and it's a very direct way.
It's a, sir, but we can provide education to women. We can
That is
provide
already being
healthcare
done.
to.
That is already being done.
But we can. That's what I'm saying. We have many ways to empower women. Providing compensation to women is one way, but it seems more idealist to me than really practical. So first we can go for other ways. For example, in healthcare. For
All right. Tell me what are the practical problems in providing salary to women, housewives?
Sir, firstly, some women employ other house workers, women from other
Domestic help.
domestic help.
Well, okay.
So that would be a problem.
No, what would be a problem?
So suppose if she has kept a domestic help for example, cooking, then how would you define that what women should be getting from the family if it's not doing the whole work? She has employed some other help for the cooking.
Let us give 50% of the total income of the household to the housewife.
So you are saying, sir, 50% would go to the domestic help, right?
Not the housewife is not the domestic help.
No,
The housewife is the queen of the household,
Okay.
right? The housewife is the queen of the household. She's not a domestic help. She might be employing
Some
domestic
other-
help
Yeah.
in a very respectful manner, but we are not equating housewife with domestic help. So how providing 50% of salary to household will mean giving 50% to domestic help?
Sir, this is one way. This is one problem. There are other problems as well. For example, the women in India don't have decision-making power. They don't have even a power to use the salary what they are earning.
They don't have the power to no, if
use
you
this-
give them, if
use-
you, yeah.
For example, the women are teaching, so she doesn't have power to use that salary as well. So how are you? How will you force the men to give money to the women for the domestic work?
No, you are saying the woman who is earning doesn't have the power to spend that money.
She has the power, but yeah, she of course for example the subsidies that government is giving for various schemes like Matrutva Vandana Yojana.
Okay.
So the government is giving 6,000, but they are not provided to the women. It is used by the men of the family or other.
How is it used by the men of the family?
Because there is a patriarchy in this society.
Correct.
That's why.
No, in what way is it used? Is it used for the, what is the money used for? What do men use that money for?
For whatever the reasons they want.
Whatever reason they want.
Yeah,
So this is the
maybe-
reason why we should give money to the female, because she needs
So
to
we
take
have
care
to
of the.
understand the dynamics of a household in Indian society. So the women not have power to challenge the authority of men. That's
The woman
issue.
doesn't have the power to challenge the authority
Yeah,
of.
we
the man.
have to give them, empower them
Huh.
through education, through economic empowerment, through.
This is economic empowerment.
Sir, but they don't have the decision-making power, right?
If they have the money,
they have the money, but they don't have the decision-making
कैसे
power.
नहीं है? हम तो सब बीवी की बात हम मानते हैं, क्या परेशानी है? सारा सैलरी उसी हाथ में देते हैं, जॉइंट हमारा जो है अकाउंट है, एम्पावरमेंट नहीं है।
Sir, the winds are changing.
देखिए ऐसा है कि द होल डिस्कशन इज गोइंग एस्ट्रे। ये जनरल बात मत कीजिए, जनरल बात नहीं होगा। पहले तो इतनी बड़ी संख्या में दे आर एम्प्लॉयड, ओके, एम्प्लॉयमेंट है कि नहीं लेडीज़ का, है ना? एक एम्पावरमेंट हुआ, जॉब तो मिल गया। अब सवाल घर का है, तो घर में बहुत से मॉडर्न लाइफ में तो दोनों शेयर करते हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। मदर नहीं बन सकता हस्बैंड, लेकिन शेयर तो करता है। अब ये कितना है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, कितना किस रेशियो में गया, 50-50 बांट दें, टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दें, ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता। फैमिली एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है, उस फैमिली के इंस्टीट्यूशन में अलाउ द फैमिली और द कपल टू मेंटेन देमसेल्व्स। ये गवर्नमेंट के से नहीं होगा, गवर्नमेंट से नहीं होगा।
All right. So this was a very controversial topic. So anyway, let us move on to something lighter. I'm giving you a case study, and I want your response for it. All right. You are standing. You are in a metro. All right. Beside you, and you must have seen Delhi metro, right?
Yes.
बहुत भीड़ होती है, especially during peak hours. घुस नहीं सकते हो. Almost like Mumbai की local. Almost like that. So you somehow entered the metro. And you have got two old people with you, okay? An old man and an old woman, all right? They are pretty old, 70 years, 75, 80 years, like that. And across the, बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है, आप जैसे ही घुसे, across diagonally, you notice that seats for old people, the reserved seats are there, but those seats have been taken by two young women. Okay. What are you going to do?
Sir, firstly, I will look for there are reserved seats for women also. So I would see that if those seats are filled by women.
There is no reserved seat for women in the coach in which you have entered. Only seats for old people.
So okay. So then I will simply go to the women, see if they are not old. They are like.
They are two young girls. I've told you. Okay, two young girls are.
So they are not. So I would simply ask. These are. For the reserved for old people, and I have seen my experience in the Delhi metro has been that in most cases the people get up and give the seat.
Okay.
So that's what I do.
All right. You would request the girls to stand and give the seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You come out of the metro station and you meet an old woman. बहुत ओल्ड हैं जिसकी वजह से उनकी कमर भी झुक गई है एंड शी इज शेकिंग, होल्डिंग अ स्टिक एंड शेकिंग, एंड शी इज एक्सटेंडिंग हर palm towards you for money.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
Sir, I remember one quote my father has said to me. It's in Punjabi. I don't know the quote, but its meaning is this, that could I say in Punjabi?
Please.
के इन हिंदी. सो अगर कोई मांगने आता है तो वो मर के मांगने आता है.
मर के मांगने आता है.
मर के मतलब अपना ज़मीर बेच के मांगने आता है. और जब जिसके पास हो वो ना दे, वो उससे पहले मर जाता है.
अच्छा,
ठीक है. तो आई बिलीव दैट वी शुड गिव इफ दे नीड समथिंग, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स नॉट द escape mechanism for them. They should be provided. There are laws like beggary acts in India, so they provide for rehabilitation as well.
Okay.
So in that cases, if the rehabilitation possibilities for employment opportunities can be provided to them.
Employment, she is an 80-year-old woman, यार, employment कहाँ से होगा?
Or there are old age homes in India. So
okay.
If those facilities can be provided, then it's better. But otherwise, if she is demanding some money, then I would definitely give.
No, what you will give the money?
Yes.
That's all?
Yes, sir.
And you will move ahead.
Yes.
Do your job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another scenario, a middle-aged woman, and you must have, this is a practical situation, a middle-aged 40-45-year-old woman, she comes to you and she speaks in Desi language, not Hindi, जैसे दिल्ली वाली Hindi, not that, maybe Haryanvi, maybe Punjabi, and she says to you कि मैं दिल्ली आई हूँ, I came to Delhi with somebody for some work and those people have left me here and I need money to go back home, please give me 500 rupees.
Actually, sir, I have experience with this before, and I was frauded. So
you what?
So he was a fraud actually. Who asked
the person was a fraud. The same kind of like.
Yeah, same kind.
Okay.
Similar thing happened.
So
I don't know about that. I have trust issues after that incident.
Okay.
So I would see what is the condition of a woman.
That woman, I mean, she seems fine. She's not begging for food. Unlike the old woman, she was begging for food.
Yes,
this woman is not begging for food. उसके कपड़े भी ठीक हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं है फटा हुआ है, गरीब है, ऐसी नहीं है. But she feels कि यार इसको शायद ज़रूरत है.
So if she wants money, then I would simply say, if you want a ticket back to your home, I can provide that. If you want food, I can provide that. That's the solution for this.
No, she says कि I need 500 rupees and my home is very far away. You can't buy me ticket directly to my home. मैं पहले यहाँ से रिक्शे में जाऊँगी, फिर बस लूँगी, फिर और दूसरा टांगा लूँगी. I will have to break my money, break my journey and give in this thing installment. So I need cash. And she asks for like, give me 50 rupees के 2 नोट 3 नोट दे दो, 100 रुपए के 1-2 नोट दे दो, like that, so that I can spend.
So going with my previous approach, I would give this time too.
You give this time too.
Yeah.
But you already have had a fraudulent experience earlier.
Actually, sir, yes, I had, but it doesn't mean that everyone is a fraud or.
So how many times will you give like this before you decide enough is enough?
Let's see, sir, how many times it takes.
Okay,
Then
sure, got it.
There will be very important thing. How do you judge that she is a needy person?
Sir, that's.
How are you sure?
I'm not sure.
decision
I'm not
making.
sure. I'm not sure.
Then
I
how
can't
can,
be
how
sure.
How can you help her?
Sir, if
You have been cheated. There is a gang all around. Beggary is not permissible. Should not be encouraged. Lots of things are there. Anyway, don't answer, but keep in mind.
Sir, no, I
Or
can't. I can't.
This is his turn.
I can't be sure, but like it's just 500, like 200 rupees risk for me, and for that.
Here, in this context, you are speaking when you are being interviewed for the top service, okay? So everything should be for you. Everything should be that this is your position. ये छोटी सी बात है. If you cannot solve this one, you can't take the judgment here. You have not studied the society. Then how can you run the state?
Okay, sir.
केवल डीएम तो नहीं होना है, एडीएम और बीडीओ. वो तो वहाँ प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी तक चले जाएंगे, कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी तक चले जाएंगे. तो ये चीज़ जजमेंट जो होती है वो ग्राउंड होती है कहीं इस पर सॉलिड ग्राउंड होती है. तो जजमेंट लेने के पहले कोर्ट वाले क्यों लेते हैं इतना समय? क्योंकि हर चीज़ में डाउट रहता है. अभी इसका टीचर क्लियर नहीं आया, पूरी पिक्चर नहीं आई, एंड इन एडिशन टू ऑल अदर. एनीवे, बी केयरफुल एंड यू टेक द पोजीशन.
Okay, पंजाब से हो?
हाँ जी सर.
Punjab borders Pakistan. Give me the list of districts north to south bordering Pakistan.
Sir, I don't know.
Don't know. What is Starlink?
Starlink?
Yeah, Starlink.
I don't know.
Don't know. What is nuclear fusion?
So nuclear fusion.
Yeah.
Nuclear fusion is a process of fusion of nuclei.
Fission.
Fusion. Yeah,
Fusion, yeah.
fusion of nuclei.
Fusion of nuclei.
That took place in.
What is the
at
meaning
sun.
of fusion?
So, combining of two nuclei.
Okay.
So in recent researches, so China is also producing nuclear plant through nuclear fusion as well. So the research in the world is going on, but there is no practical form that it can be controlled for now.
So the nuclear fusion as a practicality doesn't exist as of now. You're saying?
The research is going on.
Research is going on.
China has made the prototype, but
Okay.
it's not in functioning.
Okay. What is AMOLED?
I don't know, sir.
What is OLED?
I don't know.
What is QLED?
I don't know.
Yeah, you have played volleyball at the your school level and at engineering level also.
Yes, sir.
Are you a smasher or
Sir, I was a lifter.
lifter?
Yes.
At present, in the world, which team is the best team?
Sir, Brazil, I guess. Brazil, yeah.
Okay. So, your extracurricular, you are watching Hollywood movie, following US politics. You are not least. You are least interested in Indian politics and Indian.
Sir, it's not like that. It's like I want to know about other cultures. I like to explore other societies. So, and if we see US hegemony in last 2 years, so US culture is everywhere. So I first got interaction with the US culture only. So that's why the influence, little bit more influence of US culture.
Okay. Your hobby is traveling.
Yes, sir.
You travel which places? Traveling is or trekking?
Sir, in India, I have been to places like Guwahati, Kharagpur, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and in mentioning other countries, I have been to Italy, France, Spain, and Germany. During my semester exchange program, I went to these places.
Okay. Now tell me, why do you travel? What you try to understand, and
Sir,
what is your takeaway?
Okay, so I like to explore the other societies. So I'm not interested in like the famous places that tourists visit, like Colosseum or something like that. But I like to explore the streets of these societies, to meet those people and how the things are working there.
Have you found any similarity between the Italy and India?
Italy and India, yes, sir. That's I don't know. I should mention it or not. But one of my friend's purse was stolen in the metro. So that
Not
happened
only
in
that.
India.
First, what? One of your friends?
So wallet was stolen
Acha.
in the metro.
Where?
So in Italy, in
Acha.
Rome.
Okay.
So it happened in India as well. So that was one similarity.
But even
But-
apart from that,
Apart from that, no, sir. Italy's culture is very different from India.
no, if you
If
you
there
read
is,
it,
yeah, I will definitely read about it. What are the similarities?
It's the headquarter of Christianity.
Okay, so it's headquarter of Christianity. So India is a headquarter of Hinduism. Yeah, these.
even more than that, in the street and other places, if you watch, so you will find that men and women, most probably husband and wife, it is very difficult. They are with their kids roaming in here and there, and most like just like in India. So family trees are more strong in the Italy in comparison to other places.
Yeah, yes, sir. I have observed that, not in Italy, but in the movies.
And not in but in the street also you will find कि husband wife बच्चे जा रहे हैं इस तरह से थोड़ा सा उनका
है सर, मतलब हाँ, मतलब फैमिली को ज़्यादा वो
फैमिली उसमें
देते हैं.
ओके नाउ टेल मी व्हाई डू यू सपोज you are posted in any district, so what how will you make that your post as a role model for the others, that so people should remember that this DM has come, he has done this thing.
Sir, to make that post a role model, so I would be focusing on my work. So what is my work? So for the development of that area. So for that,
But DM is the boss of the whole district area. You have everything to do.
so for development of the area, law and order problem, all these collecting revenues, all these things. So first I would see what is my role. Then according to that, I would see what are the weaknesses and strengths of that districts. Taking a journal case, so I would ensure that all these developmental activities are undertaken. For example, women empowerment, infrastructure development, social in social sectors like health and education. So these are
What ticks you off? What motivates you to do some work, some job? What is there about which you are passionate?
Okay, sir. Sir, I keep motivate. I have answer for that. I keep myself motivated through making small goals. For example, now I am preparing for civil services, so I always make some small goals. Like in 4 days, I will be doing this. In next 4 days, I will be doing this. So that keeps me motivated. Not some.
So then, what
some,
motivates you to come in the civil service?
Sir, no. So that is my passion. I want to do it because I have an interest in it. But it's difficult to prepare like 8 hours a day. So I make small goals. So that keep me going.
No, but what motivates you to prepare for the civil services?
Sir, why I chose civil services?
Yeah.
Sir, firstly, it's a prestigious job, and it allows you to do such a great job at such a young age. Secondly, this would provide me with a stable living. And third and the most important, I believe that my interests make me more like a civil servant and less like an engineer.
It means your whole life up to the engineer is you have just wasted your time. Now you realize that engineering is not
Sir,
my cup of tea.
I wouldn't say that. Education is not about investing in particular subjects. It's about development of an overall personality of a human being. So,
But can you use your engineering background for that?
of course, sir,
how?
in engineering, I have taken many humanities courses like polity, history. So I know some things about these.
No, no, but
Secondly,
you are a basic
there are
engineer.
technologies as well. So, for example, I did a project in data analytics. So data analytics can be used in governance.
How?
Sir, for example, the targeted delivery of services can be ensured by data analytics. Sir, there are many forms of data which can be
Tell
collected.
me 2, 3. I know there are many, but 2, 3.
In
One.
PDS, recognizing the beneficiaries and cutting down the excluding the others. So these are the applications.
Good. He has asked my. I'm sharing his question.
Yeah, please continue.
And, the last one is that it's okay. Everything is, nobody is complete or perfect. The only thing is that when you, sometimes when somebody asks you your involvement, your expertise, your thinking about this and that, anything which is, I told you earlier also, that anything you discuss, it is related to your ambition for becoming IAS. And you have to show that you deserve, and simply you don't desire in the vacuum, okay? You deserve that. You know yourself that you deserve. So that should not be proved wrongly by the committee. And for that, every time you have to justify yourself through your answer. Keep in mind this one, whether you are performing satisfactorily. Even then they can ask you, why should you be selected? Ultimately, someone asks, these questions are appearing again and again. So keep in mind. And another thing is that you deserve because you have already cleared mains. Still you are in the red zone because still there are 5 times or 6 times the competitors. ठीक है?
Okay.
Keep in mind.
सर मैं प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं था सर शुरू वाले क्वेश्चंस के लिए.
कोई बात नहीं.
नहीं ऐसे ही तो लर्निंग होती है ना.
So there are feedback. Your good point is that you present yourself very well. You present yourself very well. You are quite articulated. But here you are for the civil service. So the answer expected from you that why you have selected civil service. Because there are some motivation for the every work. Either it will be money, or it has to be the prestige, power, or it has to be swanta, so it gives you satisfaction. And normally, psychologically, what gives you the more satisfaction? When you help others. So in the government job, even if you think that I will be the DM, I will enjoy the life like king size, but you cannot say that thing in the interview. And if you have that thing in mind, then rest assured you will fall in the trap and will be in the trouble. There are officers, those who they have earned money, their CBI raid is there, they have gone to the jail. Simply because they have started living. In the government job, unless and until you have some missionary zeal, something for the poor people, something for those who are not approachable, those who have no connection to help them, यू कैन नॉट सर्व, मतलब यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग। मतलब करने के लिए देखिए तो सिस्टम है, ब्यूरोक्रेटिक सिस्टम है, इसमें आ गया अच्छा भी चला जाएगा। बट इफ़ यू वांट टू डू देन यू हैव एटलीस्ट सम इंक्लिनेशन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आपने कहा कि हम उसे पैसा दे देंगे, बिकॉज यू हैव सम इंक्लिनेशन टूवर्ड्स द पुअर।
So I should मतलब
Hear it. So that is a positive issue. Similarly, but it may have some other ramification. But now you have to give the logic. Here comes the logic. Similarly, once you have selected that I will go to the civil service, then you make it a point why you are going, just not for the power, not for the money. What ticks you up? Just to help the peoples to improve the life of the maximum people. You can improve the life of few people in the engineering background in the private sector, but you cannot improve the life of many people without coming to the civil service. So you have come here. So your aim is this. Now you have to build up all your case. For example, just I have asked you similarly how we can make the role model. Have you done job anywhere after doing this BTech? Have you done any private job?
no sir.
Nothing. So when you go in a job, even in the district magistrate, you know must be, he has plenty of job. You cannot emphasize everything. For example, if you prepare in the civil service, you cannot prepare every chapter. You can prepare few chapter like a bullseye, few you can touch upon.
Okay, so focus on one thing.
So when you are going in the district, you have to focus on few points. That point you have to select very cautiously. Why? Because these are the neutral points. For example, improvement of the women, education, electricity, infrastructure एंड इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट के लिए आप क्या करेंगे। इकोनॉमी सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है ना। तो इकोनॉमी के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? इकोनॉमी के लिए आप यही करेंगे कि वहाँ पे इस तरह का यू डेवलप सच इन्वायरमेंट कि पीपल कम एंड इन्वेस्ट देयर। उनको आप कैसे करेंगे? उनको एक तो फैसिलिटी देंगे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव, फिर आप क्राइम पे करेंगे कि क्राइम ना हो जाता, वहाँ माफिया ना हो जाए, उनसे पैसा वसूलें, जिससे कि उनको एक प्रोटेक्शन हो, पीस हो, दोनों चीज़ें होंगी ना। तो ये आपका फोकस एरिया होगा, एजुकेशन फोकस एरिया होगा। बाकी और तमाम चीज़ें पब्लिक एक्सेसिबिलिटी फोकस एरिया होनी है। क्यों? क्योंकि आप सुनते होंगे लोग कि साहब जाइए, मिलते ही नहीं, दिन भर बैठे रहिए, अफसर मिलता ही नहीं। वो आपका होना चाहिए पब्लिक को लगे। पुलिस में मान लीजिए आपको पुलिस की प्रॉब्लम दे देता है, तो पुलिस में क्या है, सबसे ज़्यादा पब्लिक टच कांटेक्ट होता है ट्रैफिक में। सबके घर में मर्डर डकैती रोज़ थोड़ी ना होती, सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक। तो ट्रैफिक पे आप पैसे देंगे, पीस मेंटेन करने के लिए लोगों को पब्लिक का इन्वॉल्वमेंट करेंगे, पीस कमेटी बनाएंगे जिससे लोगों का पब्लिक का पुलिस के ऊपर फेथ डेवलप हो। मान लीजिए ये प्रॉब्लम देने का आप DSP होके गए, ये है क्राइम में लोगों के पब्लिक का सहयोग लेंगे, उसको एक बाय एग्जाम्पल काम करेंगे जिससे पब्लिक का फेथ डेवलप हो, और अपने फोर्स का उसका प्रेस्टीज भी बचाएंगे। अगर वो गलत काम करते हैं, करप्ट हैं, तो हम उन्हें पनिश करेंगे, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई विल ट्राई टू कीप देयर मोरल हाई आल्सो। क्योंकि कई बार होता है ट्रैफिक वाला ने किसी बड़े आदमी की चालान कर दिया, तो बड़ा आदमी उस पर आरोप लगा देगा पैसा मांग रहे हैं, तो हम उसकी तुरंत जांच करेंगे। अगर नहीं गलत है तो हम उस पर स्टैंड भी लेंगे उसके लिए। और पुलिसिंग है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन 50% परसेप्शन पे चलता है। तो हम एक ऐसा परसेप्टेबल चीज़ बनाएंगे कि पब्लिक को ये लगेगा कि हाँ ही इज़ फॉर मी। तो ये चीज़ अगर आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएं तो आपको इसको इस तरह से मोल्ड करना।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है। हेल्थ एजुकेशन से ऊपर बढ़ना है थोड़ा।
हाँ, हेल्थ है, हाइजीन है, आपका एजुकेशन है, आपका स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, क्योंकि ये अभियान है, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान है। एग्रीकल्चर में क्या डेवलप करेंगे भैया? आप देख रहे हो कि धान गेहूँ में कुछ नहीं है, हार्टिकल्चर बेस करेंगे, दलहनों पे जाएंगे जिससे उनको पैसा कैश मिले। कितना गन्ने से मिलेगा कैश? तो ये चीज़ें थोड़ा सा अपने दिमाग में रहे, ताकि जब वो पूछें तो ये चीज़ आप तुरंत बता दें। आपने हॉलीवुड मूवी और US पॉलिटिक्स के लिए कहा है, देखिए उसमें तमाम ऐसे होंगे जो हॉलीवुड ब्लफ होंगे, तो वो आपसे पूछने पाछने लगेंगे। देन मतलब उसके लिए आप तैयार रहिए कि आजकल क्या ट्रेंड है, कैसे है, क्या चल रहा है।
अच्छा सर। और सर जैसे एक क्वेश्चन था सर मेरा, जैसे आपने पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि एक वुमेन है उसको आप दे दोगे, बाद में एक और वुमेन आई थी, तो मैंने पहले में बोल दिया था मैं दे दूंगा, पर मैं सेकंड में सोच रहा था शायद ना दूँ क्योंकि वो फ्रॉड हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस भी रहा है मेरा, ठीक है। तो मैं उसमें बोल रहा था नहीं, बट फिर मेरे को लगा इसमें एक मैंने बाहर पढ़ा था, इसमें इंटेग्रिटी था, मतलब आपके थॉट्स में एक सीधी लाइन होनी चाहिए, मतलब आपके मोनोटोनस होने चाहिए।
इंटेग्रिटी का मतलब है
तो इसलिए
ईमानदारी।
हाँ मतलब इसलिए मैंने मना कर दिया, मैंने नहीं
ईमानदारी
वो अपना जो पोजीशन पहले थी वही रखूँगा अभी।
ज़रूरी नहीं है ना। अगर आपको बोर्ड कोई ऐसा आर्ग्यूमेंट दे देता है जो आपको लगता है कि हाँ यार बात
देखिए
तो
ऐसा है, 2-3 चीज़ें होती है हर आदमी की अपना इसका कोई 100% परफेक्ट नहीं है, कोई 100% गलत नहीं है, ये आपके ऊपर। देयर आर सो मेनी, जैसे कि मान लीजिए आपको पास टाइम है, आप पुलिस को बुला लेंगे, भाई इनको देख लीजिए, आपने पुलिस वाले को पैसा दे दिया, भाई इसके इनकी मदद कर दीजिए, तो आपको भी ये है कि आपने पैसा दे दिया, एट द सेम टाइम यू नो कि भाई पुलिस वाला जो है वो गलत काम में खर्च नहीं करेगा। एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू पुट ट्रस्ट समवेयर। दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि आपको पुलिस बुलाने में मौका, आप खुद ही फंसे जा रहे हैं, भागे जा रहे हैं, तो देन यू चेक योर सेल्फ कि भाई 50-100 रुपये देने में हमारी पोजीशन में दिक्कत नहीं, तो हम दे देंगे उसको। आपको अब इसको आप दूसरी तरह से कह सकते हैं ना, जैसे मान लीजिए इन्होंने कहा कि भाई आप चीट हो गए तब क्यों दे रहे हैं, तो यू कैन से इन द लाइटर वे कि साहब जो है कि जैसे अपराधी होता है कि एक इनोसेंट को सज़ा नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, भले ही 100 अपराधी छूट जाए, उसी तरह से एक मदद गरीब आदमी की ज़रूर मदद कर देनी चाहिए, भले उसके चक्कर में 100 लोग बदमाश भी हो जाएं तो कोई बात नहीं। तो वो एक लाइटर मोड में भी चला गया और आपकी एक लॉजिक भी आ गई।
ठीक है, जस्टिफाई कर पाऊँ मतलब उसको जस्टिफाई कर दो, कैसे भी कर दोगे।
मेन मामला ये है कि आप गलत कर रहे हो चाहे सही कर रहे हो, जस्टिफाई
मतलब आपको जो जो पॉइंट मैं आपके कुछ पॉइंट्स मैंने आपके पकड़े हैं, लॉजिकल कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है थॉट में, समझ रहे हैं आप। मैंने हाउसवाइफ वाला जानबूझ के पूछा
सर, वो मेरे को
उसमें अटक गए।
बाहर ही पूछा था सर ने, मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं था इसके बारे में, सर ने बाहर मेरा वो डेफ चेक कर रहे थे, सर ने पूछा ये क्वेश्चन, मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता, बोले थोड़ी डेरिवेटरी होते हैं, मैंने वहाँ से पकड़ लिया थोड़ा, तो बस वही बोला,
नहीं थोड़ा
कुछ और
सोचना
पता नहीं था, आइडिया
तो वही बात है ना, आपको ये सोच, अब आपने अपने मुंह से बोल रहे हो ये चीज़, तो जब मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ आप पहले ही होम मेकर बोलो ना फिर।
नहीं, अब उसमें कई चीज़ें हैं, जैसे आपकी बात गलत नहीं है, आप सिंपली ये कहते हैं कि सर आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है, बट ये इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में या इवन मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि कैसे हो पाएगा, क्योंकि कितना पैसा उनको दें, कितना उन्हें दें, कौन पैसा दे।
सैलरी हाउसवाइफ और होममेकर वाले क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं।
हाँ उसी कह रहे हैं भाई, आइडिया बहुत अच्छा है कि दे दिया जाए, लेकिन अब कौन पैसा दे। जैसे आपने शुरुआत तो सही की कि कौन पैसा देगा, गवर्नमेंट देगी कि आदमी देगा, फिर कितना पैसा, बट वो लॉजिक आप आगे नहीं बढ़ा पाए,
कंटिन्यू नहीं कर
तो
पाए।
सोचा नहीं सर कभी, ये आइडिया मैंने पहली बार सुना।
अगर वो पैसा देगा,
यही तो
जैसे
एक
हम इसी की
फैक्टर।
लॉजिक कह सकते हैं कि सर आप जब आदमी पैसा देगा तो वो कल को ये भी कह दे तुम मेरे घर में क्यों रह रही है, तो दीज आर द सोशल कॉम्प्लिकेशन। तो इस पर थोड़ा सा है तो आइडिया अच्छा, बट इट नीड्स मोर फर्दर प्रोडिंग।
बहुत अच्छे से आपने, जैसे सर बोल रहे हैं कि भाई प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स है, बट वो प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स आप डिफाइन नहीं कर पाए और उनको डिफेंड नहीं
मेरा
कर पाए।
पहली बार सुना था सर ये आइडिया, मेरे को कुछ भी
नहीं,
नहीं, ये
This
तो
is
ये
what-
है ना, ये तो इसके अलावा और
कुछ
भी
भी
आपको
और
समझ
पूछा जा सकता है ना। ओपननेस टू न्यू आइडियाज एक क्राइटेरिया है, एट द सेम टाइम क्रिटिकल पावर ऑफ असिमिलेशन भी एक
जैसे
क्राइटेरिया
वो
है।
भिखारी वाला है, आपको भिखारी वाले कि भाई आप अगर इसका मतलब अगर आपका थ्रेशोल्ड 50 रुपये तो हर जगह देते रहेंगे, आप भिखारियों की समस्या ऐसे बनी रहेगी, वो भी कर सकते हैं।
लॉजिक में प्रॉब्लम हो गया। ऐसे ही वो जो
तो आप उसको अब घुमाइए उनको, साहब ऐसी बात नहीं है। इसीलिए अगर मैं जल्दी में नहीं रहूँगा तो मैंने बताया आपको मैं पुलिस को बुलाऊँगा, लेकिन अब अगर मैं जल्दी में हूँ तो ह्यूमन नेचर है मेरा कि मैं थोड़ी मदद करना चाहता हूँ और करना भी चाहिए, तो मैं कर दिया। बट नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मैं देखूँगा तो मैं सोचूंगा कि थोड़ा पहले से ही पुलिस को बुला लूँ। बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सर एक दो हमें बिटर एक्सपीरियंस हो तो हम सबके ऊपर, मतलब आपको वो लॉजिक पे आना है।
थोड़ा सा एक्सट्रीम मेरे को आपके कुछ पॉइंट्स लगे हैं, जैसे आप जब चलिए राहुल गांधी आपने कांग्रेस बोला, अगर मैं कांग्रेस में
ठीक है सर, वो
पॉलिटिशियन की तरफ आप जा रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, चलो ये तो गलत, मतलब
बहुत गलत था सर, वो
सही नहीं है। बट अगर मैं शब्द रेप बोल रहा हूँ आपके दिमाग में गर्ल्स आ रहा
आना
है,
चाहिए,
ये गलत,
दिस इज रॉन्ग।
गलत था।
रेप किसी का भी हो सकता है, रेप इज अ क्राइम, रेप इज absolutely worst thing that can
I knew I did something wrong, so अगले में आपने women बोला, मैंने तभी के तभी empowerment बोला था.
हाँ.
तो वो reason ही यही
और फिर एम्पावरमेंट में सैलरी वाले में फिर फंस गए, लॉजिकल इनकंसिस्टेंसी आपकी पकड़ में आ गई. ओसामा जब बोला तो यू सेड यूएसए, दैट मींस वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर जो गिराया था, टेररिज्म. कल को आईपीएस अफसर बनोगे, 10 नाम तुम्हारे आगे होंगे कि एक पॉसिबल पॉकेट मार है या कुछ भी है, तुम ओसामा जिसका नाम आएगा उसको बोलोगे इसको अंदर करो पहले. तो टेंडेंसी यही दिख रही है ना.
Okay sir.
ओसामा इज जस्ट अ नेम यार. इट कुड बी जॉर्ज. अगर मैं जॉर्ज बोलता तो टेररिस्ट बोलते. जॉर्ज नाम है या मुत्थुस्वामी नाम है, टेररिस्ट बोलोगे? नहीं बोलोगे, बिकॉज वो तुम्हारे कंडीशनिंग हो रखी है कि ओसामा है तो प्रॉब्ली टेररिस्ट की बात हो रही है. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट स्ट्रक यू इज टेररिस्ट. समझ रहे हो ना? एज अ सिविल सर्वेंट यू नीड टू हैव एन ओपन माइंड एंड लॉजिकल फ्लो ऑफ थॉट. सिर्फ ये सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है जिसकी वजह से कई आंसर में गड़बड़ होगी.
बाकी ये है कि आपका है अच्छा एंड यू हैव पोटेंशियल टू डू गुड. थोड़ा सा ये चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपको वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अपने को ओपन रहेंगे, अलर्ट रहेंगे कि क्या पूछना चाह रहे हैं. जैसे आपको कह दिया रोल मॉडल, तो रोल मॉडल का मतलब आप समझिए कि बस कि जैसे इम्तहान में जो क्वेश्चन हमारा रटाया वो आ गया,
ठीक.
तो वो उस तरह का रोल मॉडल होता है. तो रोल मॉडल में फिर आप कुछ स्ट्राइक करिए ना कि ये चीज़ हम करेंगे जिससे कि आगे बढ़े हम. वो है इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, सोशल डेवलपमेंट, मतलब इस तरह से कुछ. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं जो हम बता रहे हैं वही बोलने लगे, फिर उसमें से पता चला एक लाइन भूल गए, करिए एक भूल गया हम. वो फिर
ठीक है.
ओके,
ठीक है. जसप्रीत, थैंक यू.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.